Mga kalakbay, welcome back muli sa ating pananampalatayang paglalakbay na kung saan real talk meets real hope at kung saan si Jesus ang ating ultimate destination. Mga kalakbay, have you ever looked around and asked, Lord, bakit parang sila pa yung pinagpapala? The proud, the wicked, meron silang bagong kotse, meron silang bagong negosyo at masaya pa sila sa kanilang mga social media. Pero bakit ako, Lord? Even I tried very hard to do what is right. Pero bakit parang ako pa yung nahihirapan? And that is exactly what Asaph felt in Psalm 73. Then my feet had almost slipped and I nearly lost my foothold. Because Asaph saw the wicked prosper and he almost lost his faith. But then, verse 17 hits hard. Only until I entered the sanctuary of God, then I understood their destiny. Suddenly, Asaph wasn't looking on his Instagram highlights anymore because he saw eternity, because he saw justice, and most importantly, he saw God. Then he realized, whom have I in heaven but you? And earth has nothing I desire besides you. Hindi pala ang blessings ng mundo ang tunay na kayamanan, kundi ang presence ni Lord. So if you feel discouraged to see people win, even you struggle, don't quit, don't envy, and enter God's presence because in the end, God is the strength and our portion forever. Psalm 73 reminds us that we will experience real pain, but we will have real hope because we have a real God. Maraming salamat muli sa pagsama sa ating pananampalatayang paglalakbay. If na-bless ka sa video pong ito, maaari mong pong i-share ito at baka ito na ang sagot sa dasal ng iba. Hanggang muli, stay faithful, stay real, only fix our eyes to Jesus. God bless us all.